Hello, 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 my beautiful people. How are you all? Hope you're doing well and keeping safe. I bet you have. And we thank God for this beautiful Sunday afternoon, though it's not really sunny today, but it is a lovely day. Do you know why? Because you and I are still breathing, and so we have every cause to thank God. So today, not to waste your time, I am making something special. So I will be making Singapore fried rice. As we know, for those who are Asian cuisine lovers, Singapore fried rice is a very deliciously hot, spicy fried rice. It is served as street food in the roads of Indian, and you can find it in takeaway in some of the Chinese restaurants. This rice is colorful, delicious, and spicy. It is definitely on the spicy side. So the good thing is very tasty. It's packed with a lot of juicy vegetables. If you're a vegetarian, you don't want meat, you can just cook with vegetable. But today I am mixing it up. I am going for the real full Singapore fried rice, which is with the meats, limited meat, the chicken breast. They use pork, but I'm using lamb meat, for mine. So, and I'll be using the shrimp and mixing that vegetable, because we all need some nutrients in our food. So stay tuned, don't go anywhere, join me while we start cooking. I hope you're ready, cause you are, because I am. So let's roll the boat to kitchen, not to the sea. Roll in the boat to NgeeSuper Kitchen. Yeah, hit the subscribe button and keep liking my channel while you stay tuned and cook with me. Love you, stay tuned, and let's cook. In a wok or pan, I've added here the extra virgin olive oil. I am going to start by shallow frying the shredded cut lamb, and then I keep toasting this and turning it to avoid burning until it is golden brown, while still on a biteable um, taste. When it's ready, I'll take it out, and on the same pan, I'm going to shallow fry the chicken breast, while turning also the chicken breast continuously until it is slightly golden brown or ready according to preference. When this is ready, I will take it out, and then on the same pan and oil, you can see I have not added any extra oil. I'm still using that. I'm going to do same shallow frying slightly the shrimp. I'll shallow fry the shrimp to be lightly golden, and while toasting this continuously, I'll take it out when it is ready. I will now add 1 tablespoon extra virgin oil and saute the finely chopped garlic clove. After that, I will add the curry paste. The curry paste, as you can see, is thick. I'm going to break this and mix it, combining properly by stirring it together with the garlic. The garlic, I allow the garlic to get that aroma and transparent look before adding the curry paste. And after adding the curry paste, I've now added my ginger. I blended this ginger paste myself, fresh ginger. This ginger is optional. It is not compulsory to add this to your Singapore fried rice, but I like to have this taste of ginger in mine. So I'll stir this in to allow it to combine properly. Once I do that, the next thing I am going to add in here is my finely chopped spring onion. For those who do not want to use the spring onion, you can use your leek. So, but yeah, I have used my spring onion, and immediately I am adding the carrots. I will now toss this together so as to combine. If you feel this is going to pour away, you can stir it, and then after this I'll allow this to saute for about 30 seconds to 1 minute because I want that crunchiness of the carrot to remain. I will be adding now my mixed bell pepper, that is the yellow, green and red bell pepper. Now there's a secret to this. If you can't trust yourself with salt, please do not add your salt at this time. Add it at the end of the cooking when all the ingredients have been added, so you can taste for salt, because remember your soy sauce and some of the sauces have salt in them. So but here I have added my salt and a little bit of twist. I'm adding paprika to mine. I have added the paprika, and now I have beaten the egg, which is what I have added at this time. So you can whisk your egg, but I like the yolk not to over whisk, which is why I want that to remain. And immediately while the egg is forming cook, I'm adding the shallow fried lamb, chicken breast and the shrimp. I'll spread this out on top until the egg is formed before stirring it in to combine properly. So there is a little bit of secret. If you want to put a little twist in yours to get a bit of another more taste, you can add the all-purpose seasoning, but this is not compulsory to add to your Singapore fried rice. It is a preference if you really feel you like to add that to yours. So now the egg has formed properly, so I will stir this in. Why I will stir in my green paste and vigorously stir everything in to combine properly. Once that is done, what I am adding next here is my boiled and cooled rice. I will now saute this. After adding my rice, I'll stir this in properly and allow to saute for about 3 to 4 minutes or 5 minutes. Now I am going to lower the heat to medium low to avoid the rice from burning, so the rice will fry properly. While the rice is frying, immediately I have combined my vinegar, hot red chili sauce and the peri peri sauce together. Here I have added that together with my soy sauce and the chili garlic sauce. So those are all the sauces you see me adding here. Once I have added all this sauce in, I am going to turn it vigorously to combine properly in. Why now I will turn my heat to low so the rice will cook and fry for another 1 to 2 minutes or 3 minutes if you want it more fried, avoiding the bottom from burning. You get that crunch deep friedness Singapore texture, and you can see how colorful the rice is. With the combine of all this together, the vegetables gives it this beautiful color and the curry. And I tell you, if you try this at home, you trust me, you will come back with a positive feedback. There is your colorful aromatic Singapore fried rice. This rice is not just aromatic, it is very inviting. It is not just colorful, but it is very, very tasty, deliciously, yummiciously tasty. So yeah, your rice, Singapore rice, is ready. Voila! I am going to dish out the rice. Once the rice is dished out, enjoy with any chilled drink of your choice, being it wine, being it juice, any drink of your choice. Enjoy the Singapore fried rice. And if you want to garnish it, you can garnish with anything of your choice. But I have garnished mine with spring onion and the remaining sweet, green and red chili. And that is the Singapore fried rice ready. Thank you so much for cooking with me. Hit the subscribe button. Keep liking my channel. Until next time, love you all and goodbye.